This is not even everything that I ordered, but it should tell you how exciting today's video is gonna be. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharmishta, and today's video is another Meesho haul. The first time I ordered earrings from Meesho, I just absolutely loved it. This time I ordered Pinterest worthy earrings as well as necklaces for this video, and I'm gonna put it as two separate videos so everyone who's interested in earrings can watch one video, everyone who's interested in necklaces can watch the other video, everyone who's interested in both can watch both the videos. So everyone's happy, especially me, because I placed this order and I can't wait to try all the jewelry that I ordered. As you can see, I'm not wearing any jewelry right now because we are gonna change that in this haul. So let's get started with the video. The first thing in earrings that I got is this very basic pair of gold hoops. Let me show you guys up front. See, this is like very basic pair of gold hoops. Doesn't this look lovely? Because honestly it suddenly elevated my very basic outfit, and I think the quality is pretty good for the price. I don't know whether it will actually be anti-tarnish, but the last pair of earrings that I ordered from Meesho have been actually anti-tarnish. Like, they haven't lost their color yet, so I have good hopes from this one as well. It's slightly heavy, but nothing that you can't like live with. Honestly, pretty good purchase. I totally recommend you should buy it. Then the second thing I ordered is just so cute. This is what I ordered. It's very cute pair of heart earrings. Very Pinteresty, very demure. And let me just try it on. This is what the earrings look when they're on. This is so cute. Who is this Pinterest girl? Can you see how minimal yet chic they look? Like, honestly, I love it. Again, very good for the price. I have no complaints from this pair of earrings, and yeah, would totally recommend. And honestly, if you're trying to build a Pinterest level jewelry collection, then please definitely buy it. Just look how amazing it looks, and it again immediately elevated my whole outfit. Next pair of earrings that I got is very anti me because I am more of a minimalist girl, and I like jewelry which is usually very dainty, goes well with a lot of outfits, like, which is super versatile. And the next thing I got is not exactly dainty, or like, I don't think it's gonna be super versatile, but I think it will still go with a lot of outfits. This is what I got. This is a pair of statement earrings. Let me give you a better look. This is what the earrings look like. Can you see how big they are? They are just like almost half my face, but they sound so nice. I think this is definitely not the outfit for this pair of earrings. Is it for me? I don't know. Still confused. But I think I can style it in a better way. Maybe definitely not with this outfit. Definitely in a better way, better outfit for a special occasion. So still, like, the quality is pretty great. It's like a little heavy. It won't bend very easily, so it's good quality. Really nice for the price. Honestly, I love what Meesho is doing for us middle class girls. It's making jewelry so affordable. It's making jewelry and fashion accessible for everyone, and we love that. Anyway, let's get moving on to the next pair of earrings. The next pair of earrings is again very Pinterest coded. This actually has a brand name called Banafsha or Banafsha, and look at how it came. It came with like two toffees with the earrings. We have two mango toffees. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it when you get like these small surprises. I'm just gonna eat one of the candies. Also, I'll like sneak in a quick candy review. Tastes like mango gacha bite. Mango gacha bite is probably better, but still, love the surprise. Look at the earrings now. This is what they look like. I honestly expected them to be a little bigger, but they look at them. They look so cute, so Pinterest coded, and super dainty, super light. This is what the earrings look like. I would have liked them better had they been like slightly bigger. They are pretty cute. They will go well with like black, red, white, even pink outfits, I think. Very cute. They have a little heart, and yeah, I love it. And honestly, love it for the price. Pretty cute. Very happy. Would totally recommend. And now for the last pair of earrings. If you think I've saved the best for the last, then you're absolutely right. I honestly can't wait to try them. This again came in a box. We have a thank you note here as well. And this is a small business on Instagram. It's from Drip Lobby India. And look at the earrings. They look so cute. Again, very Pinterest coded. This is what the earrings look like. We love it, and pretty amazing for the price. They will again go very well with like if you want to step out or if you want to elevate your everyday outfit. Very Pinterest coded, beautiful purchase. I would totally recommend. That brings me to the end of the video. Today's haul was again like 100% success. If I were to tell you about my favorite earrings from this video, these would be one of my favorite earrings, the bow ones as well as the heart ones. These two are my favorite earrings. These earrings are also very cute and I absolutely love them. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Drop down your thoughts in the comments below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.